We found out about the interior lab through YouTube, and we were quite impressed by their work. So we decided to make the visit to the office, and Akila was allocated to us for the consultation. Akila showed us the design sketches, and her proposition won over our trust.
They wanted a luxurious yet cozy and homely home where they can relax and enjoy quality family time over the weekends. So, we unanimously agreed on the modern contemporary theme. Given that this unit is a new premium BTO, the flooring base has been set for us. The project involved not only basic renovation works, but a lot of detailed space planning process as well. The main inspiration of the home was taken from our M38 showroom that exude an understated sense of luxurious lounge ambience.
The most significant part of the home renovation is the living room area and dining area. The key challenge of the home renovation was a space constraint issue, so we needed the interior to be open with ample space to navigate through.
For the space planning, how it works is we actually came down to measure the site to have an exact accurate measurement, and then from then on we actually customize the dining table to make sure that it's not too big for the house. And then when we got the soft furnitures as well, some of it are actually customized so that it will fit the house and it's not something that is an off-the-shelf piece. So this really plays a part in terms of the space proportion for this unit.
I think the design of the master bedroom was unique. I love it that there's a wardrobe on both sides of the bed. It adds focal point to the room and it's feel more cozy. Overall, the most impressive aspect of the renovation works was the carpentry workmanship. The rest of the contract teams were also skilled and professionals. Our friends and family also loved the final look of the home. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend the interior lab for the design-centric workmanship.